The start of the vlog. What do we got right there, Stanley?
We got Randy's R6.
What do we got right here?
We got R6 right here.
And then what do we got right here?
We got his new bearings.
Stay tuned when the full assembly is done. Oh my god. So if you guys are new to the channel, go down, hit that subscribe button. We are here with the wheelie expert, I would say.
Nah.
Wheelie expert.
Just started riding in April.
Okay.
You know, speed is cool, but I want a little more, so you know, popping little wheelies. Didn't master the #1 rule,
Which is?
rear brake control.
Damn. Okay, give us a quick rundown on this, Stanley.
Alright, so you got the full carbon, but this shit still looks fire. It's from Monster Fairings, best fairings in town.
So we will drop the link down below. This is the new fairing kit. You guys see the bike. These R6s are growing on me because of these guys.
And if you didn't know, Randy did crash his bike doing a wheelie. I will drop the video. That show was insane.
We will drop the video.
You good?
You guys get an idea? That's the reason why Stanley doesn't want to do wheelies on his.
Bike is still good. Stanley helped me fix up the crankcase cover. Right here, it broke. The oil was leaking. Left handlebar broken as well.
A bit of damage here. Little nicks here and there. The bigger pieces over here.
Yeah, we had to replace his crankcase for his alternator. That shit.
It was cooked?
It was scraped down all the way and it was cracked.
Dang.
So we replaced that.
But everything else is cool. It's nice and running. I've been running naked. Right here, as you can see. The
Oh,
fairing
he's over here exposed out here.
This broke down. I was going like 140, and then this flew out. This broke.
You gonna hang that on the wall now or what?
Probably. Souvenir.
Souvenir?
I still got my pants that are all ripped up.
Bro, that's crazy.
But yeah, bro, he's still here.
Crazy
still
part, he
alive.
wasn't wearing gear that day either.
Yeah, that's insane.
Yeah, so every night I wore like 10 large band-aids on my body. Took like 30-40 minutes just bandaging myself. But hey man, we here.
We here, that's all that matters, man. Real question though is, are the wheelies going to be considered after you bounce back?
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm going to enjoy the bike a little bit more,
Okay.
but I'm gonna take it slow.
For sure.
I mean, I haven't even been riding for a year, so.
Facts.
Yeah.
You guys see the R6. Take a good look at it right now. It's about to change completely. What color is this, bro? Because I've seen this on the like newer R6s. Is it like a frozen?
It's like a space gray or something. I don't
Shit
know.
is
It's
fire.
nice. It's like a matte
It's
gray.
super nice. I can't get over this. This shit is so fire. This is the new kit right here.
This new kit right here. This carbon is very mid. You know, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, okay. I mean, hey, honest review, because you know.
Yeah, I'm being a.
We keeping it a buck, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Nah, they not paying me. to do
If they
this.
sponsor us, shit, we'll review anything they send us our way.
Yeah, so maybe you know, we'll keep this gray on for now,
Okay,
and then we'll put everything else on and
Okay.
then see how it looks.
for sure. Literally between these two. All right, y'all. If y'all watching this, pause the video. Let us know, side-by-side comparison. Y'all going with my boy Randy's opinion on keeping this as opposed to that, or should we slap that carbon on? Dang, it's like a whole project right now. Now that Stanley got the stands up on it. Stanley, bro, why don't we just put the fairings from here on yours and we modernize your bike?
We were talking about that last
Well,
time.
what's it called? Facelift, bro. Facelift.
We still could.
You so could.
But I'm gonna S1K after this.
Oof. All right, so if you guys haven't seen Stanley's old video when we were doing his fairing kit on the car, check it out. That's kind of where I learned to like work on bikes and stuff. I'm no pro, don't get me wrong, I'm no pro, but this shit is fun. So we are gonna be tearing down the bike, give you guys some tips and tricks on how to remove this stuff. Cause this is what? This is 2019, bro?
2019.
2019. We're working with that new stuff. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. What are we working with first? What's the big thing that's gonna be? Because we already got one of the big pieces off, you know? Shout out to Randy for that one. That shit's already off. But couple screws here and there.
These are Allen's.
Allen's?
Allen's,
All right,
yeah.
so all Allen keys. Big side panels. One right here. The other one right here. So you guys see, this is the, I would say the left hand side of the fairing. This is the right hand side, the before, the after. But that being said, we got the new kit right here and we're ready to rock with that one. Stanley was stating we work from the rear. You guys did see the little, I wouldn't say little, but quite some damage, being that he popped the wheelie. I want to say the rear took most of the damage first, taking off the seat cover, or the cushion I would say. What exactly did we take off, Stanley?
We're taking off these tail fairings.
Being that we took the cushion off for the back end of the bike, tail fairings, as Stanley was saying, these are the old ones. We are going to be working with that new stuff.
Little sneak peek.
Little sneak peek right here. Do we know the color code, Randy? Do we know the color code? No?
Nah, just
Kind of just
like Nardo almost.
in a way, yeah. This is
like
yeah,
a little darker.
slightly darker Nardo. What was the inspiration behind this? You like the color? You saw it on a bike? You saw it on a whip?
On the bike. I
Saw it on
another one.
We'll drop it back. We'll drop it back.
Hey man,
That's
that's the important thing about this. You stay inspired amongst other people that are building their bikes. So quick heads up for anyone looking to get a fairing kit. It is kind of a puzzle piece, or I would say a large puzzle, being that one, you gotta disassemble your bike. Two, you kind of have to arrange the fairing pieces. And being that there's a bunch of pieces, you have your inner fairings and your outer fairings. So this is basically what everyone sees, and this is what goes on the inside and is what mounts the actual fairing to the bike. Never forget the small details, small pieces. So there's like a small little bolt right here, kind of holds the fairings in. Another one right here, but it is a lot of tedious work. You kind of just push them in, pop them up, and then pop them out. You guys see right here, there's another one right here, but first winglet, the color or what is
It's like the material, so like
sturdy? Try to bite it. All right, what is that?
That is, what would you call this? Like
It's a or tire cover. Tire
Cover. So front tire cover is off. Literally dismantling this R6 right now.
super easy. 3 screws right here.
So
Boom,
3 screws.
right here, and then there's like a nut in the back here.
Okay, pop that off.
Yeah.
And the new thing.
Dang, going on.
Damn, that carbon's about to change everything up. But yeah, you guys see firsthand. So firsthand look at the OEM one, the original color. As Randy was saying, kind of like a space gray, like a frozen space gray, as opposed to the new fairing and the new color, a darker Nardo. That's definitely gonna change up the look of this bike.
With this color scheme, no, this is custom.
Custom. Oh, you guys heard that. Custom. That's all he had to say. So stay tuned when the full assembly is done. Stanley, your first reaction on these bolts?
They're Torx.
They're Torx.
And we didn't bring any Torx bits.
You're lying. We will make something work.
Oh god.
But straight from the manufacturer. But this is what we're working with today. These are dope. High quality.
Yeah, definitely.
Good heft. Kind of light.
Not really.
First piece is officially on. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think about it. Does that carbon match well with the space gray? This front end, I can never get over that.
Yeah.
That shit's so aggressive.
They give me, it looks like it's the same.
Pretty much the same. Pretty identical. Oh, this one has a groove.
Yeah,
This one's more sleek. I don't know if you guys can see
so
that.
they give me that cheap one.
Ah, man. So what, we're going to reuse the same one, or what are you thinking?
Probably use the same one, to be honest.
But there you guys have it. R6 with no windscreen.
Cute as fuck.
We're going to have to do wiring then, Stanley?
Yeah, for rear brake lights right here, you have to just 2 wires and then 1 plug. I think that's the turn signal plug.
Okay.
Besides that,
So that's the new light?
yeah, his new light right
And
here.
that comes with the kit?
I bought that separately on Facebook Market.
Oh, got it. Okay. You guys see the old one?
Smoke.
This one's also going to go hanging up on the wall. Being that we got to work with a little bit of wiring back here, and the fact that subframe was damaged, we're going to save this for the end. We're going to tackle on the tank right here, tank fairing, and the side ones. So being that we're tackling on the fuel tank right now, 4mm Allen key, and then an 8mm bolt right here to loosen this up. After that, we got to work our way towards the front of the bike. 1 bolt right there. We might have to tackle these other 2 as well. Pop this off. You guys see?
Yeah, look at this tool right
PR.
here, bro.
You'll see that advanced stuff right there.
Yeah, bro. Useful, very useful.
Very useful when trying to disassemble a bike. GPR is coming off. Give us a rundown on what a GPR does, or what its functionality is.
When you go fast,
Yeah.
it makes the handlebars harder to turn. So when you hit bumps, you don't get the
That
speed
jiggle?
wobbles. This will save your life. It's $500, but it'll save your life.
So if you want to survive, $500 is what it takes.
If you drive crazy, like
you?
kind of like myself,
Kind of like yourself?
no,
What about
you get it?
get it?
It's $500, but it'll save your life.
We will link that down below as well.
Yes.
It'll save your life.
You don't want to wait till you get the speed wobbles.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Okay, let the people know.
Alright, so for the tank, there are 2 vent lines or whatever, something for the gas tank to vent. So you can't put up all the way. So you have to unclip it over on both sides, then you can get full access.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do right now. There was 2 hidden bolt, or one hidden bolt on each side. There was a 4mm Allen as well. One on this side. It's kind of tucked away behind this hose right here, but get to those, and then it frees up that space for you to jam something in between and continue working on it. Right, so as you guys can see, Stanley popped them off. One of the lines right here.
The same thing on the other side.
And there's another one on this side. You guys can see it right there hanging. Pull these off, pop them off. You guys see the bolts up here. One right there, one right here. Take those off.
And after that, you just slide it off.
Just like that, it's off. We have a naked tank now.
This is the carbon piece right here. This one.
Before and after.
Yeah.
You guys.
These gills right here. Oh man, they just make it look so aggressive.
Yeah, shit's fire. Addressing the
That's turn signal wires.
turn signal wires, but more importantly, the actual mirrors.
So for the turn signals, your wire's gonna go through this little hole right there. Then unclip it from right here, and then unconnect this connector, and you could just pull it right out.
But first one's off, like Stanley was saying. Through the little hole, take the little connector off, pops right out. We're gonna replicate that on the other side. I am officially a bike mechanic. If you guys ever have a stolen bike and you want to dismantle it, hit these guys up. These guys will get the job done. R6 looks like an exoskeleton now.
Yeah.
Being that it's halfway dismantled. You literally only get the frame now, apart from the tank and the front part of the bike. But we are laying out the fairings right now. You guys can see that contrast with the carbon. Super fire. I can't wait to see this on the bike. But look at that. That's the prime example right there. I feel like there's more contrast on this though. Just because it goes from like Nardo to carbon, as opposed to like carbon to the space gray, you know?
Yeah.
Slowly but surely we're getting there. The rear carbon fiber piece. This is dope.
That looks kind of centered, huh?
Yeah, it looks about right. Did you guys see it? Pro grip on the Nardo. Oh boy.
Oh, actually.
Not bad on fitment. Alright, so the carbon piece is on for the tank. Like we stated prior, 2 bolts, one on the left, one on the right.
Don't forget to reconnect your hoses.
Oh yeah, don't forget to reconnect these vacuum lines.
Yeah, vacuum lines.
But you do have to lower it slightly just to reach it. So being that the carbon is on the tank now, trying to work our way to get this. What would this be, the windscreen? No, this is like the front side of the fairing.
Yeah.
Trying to pop this off so we can put in that new carbon. We were comparing the two and we saw that most of which is pretty much grommets and clips and just 2 screws, but we already took those screws off and it kind of just pops into place. Last couple pieces, but like we were saying, it's literally just clips that pop into the spot.
And nothing's broken.
See, this guy was about to take off half the bike. This guy was going to disassemble the whole thing.
Dude, I'm not trying to break nothing.
But just so you guys know, it does just clip in. And it literally clips in forward. So when you pop it outwards. Just make sure you take your time. Go slow on it. You don't want to break any clips. That thing looks not so aggressive anymore. Yamaha. You guys see carbon front pieces on. Looking at you menacing. Slowly working our way. Take off this piece on the side. Once we get that off, we can slap on the Nardo ones, I would say. What is this, a side fairing or what?
The main side fairings.
Main side fairing.
Alright, make sure you guys don't forget to replace these clips. Monster Fairings does come with them, but I think it's an add-on.
Okay, it is an
But
add-on.
we're just using the Orion ones, so these will fit. But besides that, you got foam to transfer. Don't forget these, but
Quite some stuff like basically on your install. Just because this one doesn't have anything, this one's naked, but we'll swap it over. I think there's someone behind you.
Cute ass Johnson.
Literally.
I've never seen that before.
For real. You guys didn't know? That's where it's located. This thing looks like a derby bike or something. Literally stripped this whole left side. Or right side, I would say. So one thing you do gotta know is foam has to come off. A couple of the clips have to come off so we can transfer it onto the other one. So you're gonna need some glue. We're gonna be using super glue. Just so we can have it adhere quicker, get a move on, swap it over, and then from there we can slap it on. But look at the bike right now. Look at Johnson right now. So other things we gotta transfer over. Pop out these grommets, transfer them over to the new ones. Now I will say one thing. This is definitely a puzzle piece. If you guys want to tackle this on, make sure you guys have some dedicated time.
Sell it if you can't do it.
And sell it if you can't do it. But also, it helps when there's helping hands. Piece by piece. Coming together. You guys see the contrast. Boy, look fresh. We are definitely getting somewhere.
You're about to give up 5 minutes to go.
Quick update. Bike is becoming more of a bike now. We got the rear winglets on. We got the cover for the gas tank. But we are definitely working on it, getting there. It is very close to being finished. Literally the last component on right now. But here you guys have it. R6 all said and done, completed with the new fairings. Carbon on Nardo. Oh yeah, up the last final touches. But let us know down below your thoughts on this. I absolutely love this. This shit is, oh my god. Makes me want to get a bike, but I know not right now. Not right now. This is super tough. And it's on the stands. God.
The light and stuff.
And the lighting and everything.
And it's fresh fairings, everything's...
And it's fresh, so it's all clean, everything. Honest review. Give us your thoughts. What are you thinking right now?
Man, I'm just tired, bro. I've been up for 20, 22, 23 hours.
We have been on that grind.
But it looks good, man. It looks good to finally be done. You know, shout out to the homies for coming out, helping me.
We made it possible.
Carbon from Monster Fairings. Looks a little tacky.
Hey, man.
It's a
Honest
good look,
review.
though. Yeah, honest review, but I mean, I like it. But the gray, I'm liking the gray.
I love the gray, yeah. That contrast. Oh.
Yeah, the contrast is crazy.
Let me know what you guys think on it. I absolutely love it. This shit looks so nice.
Not as good as mine though.
Oh,
Give that shit.
We got our boy Stanley's R6 in the back. We got two R6s in the garage. It's Yamaha Bike Day. You guys see.
Yeah, it works. It's working.
Way too clean. Coming down.
Alright.
There it is.
Touchdown.
Let's go. Come on.
Just like that. We were ready to rip it. The homeboy is back. Officially back and ready.
100%.
100%.
I said actually 90. We'll say 99.
99 until
99.
tomorrow. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. More videos to come for the R6 in the near future. If you guys like it, go down, hit that subscribe button. And check out the homeboy on the IG. I'm gonna drop his IG down below. And like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Peace.